Mhm.
Start recording.
Awuthi
Okay. Ayikho
awuthi
inkinga
two.
sethembe kohlangana. Eh okay, sengiyarekhoda siqala 7:20. Kade silinde ugift. Angazi bebesagijima kuphi. All right. So just ukurecap eh kulamaviki sisafunda kabanzi ngendlela yokuthi how do ama-programmers wona store data or store information or store i-code le abasuke besebenza kuyo. I think I don't think I know it's an important part of the programming journey. Le nto engifundisa yona ukhala ngisho abantu abaphuma e-university. Abanye baphuma bengena-experience sayo, baphuma bengafundisiwe ngayo. Into esimple, but just we-understand kubalulekile ukuze umuntu angafiki emsebenzini adideke mese kwenziwe ukuthi sekwenze njani manje. So sithe i-code, excuse me, uyayibhala kuma-files akho asuke kwikhompyutha yakho. Ikhompyutha yakho then isuke istorishekile leyo code ikhona. But sathi sine-problem yokuthi awukwazi ukuba nama-versions kahle ahlukene for ifayili yakho. Saphinde sathi i-storage sayo indlela osuke uyibeke ngayo ayikho right because ushuthi uzoba namafayili amaningi because of the versioning problem ebesiyisho. And then isuke kwikhompyutha yakho nje. Sasithi-ke kune-developer eyahlakanipha-ke yacabanga indlela yokuthi singenza njani ukuba ne-software esiyisebenzisayo ukucontrola i-versioning ama-files ethu esisuke mesenza i-code. Yakhanda-ke uGit. So uGit is a version control system, but indlela engizothi eyokustorisha umsebenzi wakho. So into nento osuke usebenza ngayo inendlela oyistorisha ngayo. So for example, uma une-plus, unama-grains, unommbila, uyazi usebenzisa ama-silos, yabo. But angeke uthathe umanyolo uyostorisha kuma-silos. So the same thing nakwi-coding. Uba nje sinendlela estorisha ngayo i-information yethu, which it also includes i-versioning, because we know umsebenzi wethu sihlezi senza lento ekuthiwa iterate whereby ulokhu into ithinta uyishintsha uyithinta improve. So kumele ukwazi ukucontrola kahle i-version ukubone nje ukuthi ubhala uMicrosoft. Safunda-ke ngo-Git, samdownload uGit, samsebenzisa ukuthi sim-initialize kwi-folder yethu, futhi i-folder yethu sesikustorisha manje ngo-Git. Sasithi git add, mekuqeda ukuthi sithi git add, sathi git commit. So git commit iyo ndlela leso ukusho ngayo ukuthi khathi sengiyayi-commit-a-ke sengiyayi-save-a, kushe ngiyali-save ushintsho ebengilenza. Ngathi asigcine lapho. Ngase ngithi-ke i-problem-ke uyistorishe locally la kwikhompyutha yakho. Kumele-ke siyoyistorisha lento on the cloud noma ku-inthanethi, ngale ndlela ukuthi noma ikhompyutha yakho ingalahleka, umsebenzi wakho awulahlekile. Njengoba uNomanda nje esho ukuthi ufelwe ikhompyutha, kodwa akhululeke azi ukuthi no, the last time ngisebenza ngicima ikhompyutha ngiyolala, umsebenzi wami bengiwuphushile ku-GitHub noma kuphi or on the cloud, u-safe. So ikhompyutha noma ngenzakalani, so long as mina nginama-login credentials to i-service provider engala kusho ukuthi ngistorishe i-code yami. So sabuka-ke on Monday ukuthi ama-service providers noma ama-companies akhona as-allow-isha ukuthi storishe umsebenzi wethu on the cloud, uGitHub, uGitLabs, uBitbucket. Sanibonga ngokuhlukana. Sasithi kodwa-ke i-preference or industry standard is to use uGitHub, right? Okay. Then sa-create account, email account. Saba nenkinga mese create email account ngoba seku-strict manje. So sibuke kancane izolo on i-security, cyber security. Just in general ukuthi iyini or isiza sa-experience futhi ubunzima ukuthi sihlangane nobunzima mese sizama ukwenza into, but leyo nto indlela e-secure ngayo. Safunda kancane nje ngama-logins ukuthi how to make sure nama-logins are-secure, right? Sagcine-ke sathi i-email yethu sa-sign up ku-GitHub. Sign up meaning sa-register ukuthi hayi thina singosibanibani. So musu sign up-ile ku-GitHub, sagcine-ke Actually, preference is we use Google Sign In because you keep one login credentials per. Yabo. So lana sign up one side one login credentials and the login. So that's one of the things that Seafood dealers or the Seafood about to passkey login, which is scan along the phone yami, then it authorizes you to log in the account. Ingazifaka ama-password. I-password anginayo for the account. So umuntu ozama ukungihekha kunzima ukuthi engamhekha without my phone. So sakubuka kancane lokho, sabuka ngama-challenges that are presented to you by i-website esuke ingafuni by i-website esuke ingafuni ungene kuyo ucreate i-account ngokuyi-scammer. So sabuka-ke ukuthi kunama-challenges ebelokhu ngi-check-a-ke ukuthi ngi-robot noma cha. So la sebefuna i-verification code, bangithumelele i-email. So i-verification code le noma ungayibona, it's a once off. So noma ingaba live akunankinga. So sebe-verify ukuthi mina nawe-ke you might come across them. So ngifuna uku-emphasize ukuthi ezinye zezinto mhlawumbe omunye uzothi hey, uthisha kahlelekile, why engaqhamuki nento eseyazi because izolo ubandeni libonile ukuthi bezama kangakanani ukumenyuka. It is because ngifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi we in the world of programming noma software, nothing is perfect. Ayikho into ozovele ithathe icode ukuthi ibhale isebenze same time. Yonke into ngaso sonke isikhathi you must use your brain ukuthi uzama ukwenza ukuthi do not lose focus. You encounter a problem, try another solution. You encounter a problem, try another solution until uyisolve le nto noma ufike kule nto ofuna ukuyenza. Njengoba izolo my goal was to create a repository. Ngiphinda ngikwenzile lokho, I mean on Monday. So i-repository, nje abantu abahambeke beyoyikhanda. After creating account GitHub, you must create a repository. So you will create a username under GitHub, une-username yakho, under your username, usune repository. Safunda ukuthi repository is just a way of storing information. Right. Sase sithi-ke, abantu abayokwenza, right? And then ozizwa ngathi ufuna ukuyi-challenger, they can ngizothini ezinto ngathi ufuna uku-challenger engalandela ama-instructions lawo. So lawo instructions sizama ukwenzani, sine-folder, sinomsebenzi kwikhompyutha yethu locally, sifuna umsebenzi wethu ukuwuthatha ukuthi siwuyise on the cloud. So uGitHub-ke unendlela owenza ngayo ukuthi these are the instructions you must follow to make sure ukuthi uyakwazi ukuphutsha umsebenzi wakho. So uGit itself, uGit as a software, uyaku-allow-isha ukuthi ukhethe any cloud noma any internet provider ukuthi ikugcinele umsebenzi wakho osuke ustorisheke kaGit. So indlela esenza ngayo lokho ukuthi sithi git remote add origin masu HTTPS bakunikele i-URL la ukuthi GitHub bani and then .git yabo. So if ungezokuqala la asiqaleke la sibukeke just to familiarize ourselves naleli page. So la ngiku-GitHub okay, ngiku-GitHub profile yami le iyasho ukuthi ubani is my username. I own this repository. I joined this month. In a folder under the profile yami. Le folder yami, repository yami is private. So la sino code. So for this repository, so yonke into engiyibona la is pertaining this repository. So issues, pull requests, actions, projects, security, insight settings, asizukubuka lokho. Into enginendaba nayo ukuthi how do we put i-code yethu kule repository, right? Set up GitHub Copilot by the AI is a pair programmer to automate suggestions as you code. So as a full manje, add collaborators to this repository, search for people using this their GitHub username. So le username ade uyenza noma le email address ade uyisebenzisa, ngiyakwazi uku-invite ukuthi uzo-collaborate kumsebenzi wami oyi-code under my profile. So quick setup, if you've done this kind of thing before, so uzothi set up in desktop if you've done this, or HTTP SSH. Get started by creating a new file or uploading an existing file. We recommend every repository includes a README, a license, and a .git ignore. So sikundile kancane iso lapha athi git ignore ukuthi yini ne README. So bayasho-ke la ukuthi if kuwukuthi wakwenza before, nansi ilink bakunikile already. So mina ngisuke sengazi le link le ukuthi ngizoyenza. So ngoba sikaze sikwenze lokho bathi create a new repositories on the command line, a repository on the command line. Sina sesakwenza-ke lokho, sesamenza u-git init, samenza u-git add, kodwa sathi thina git add sathi dot, senza u-git commit sathi -m, safaka imessage yethu. And then masithi git branch -m, usukumele u-main branch, and then ulibiza ngokuthi u-main ibranch yakho. Angifuni ngisigcile lapho kakhulu, but nangu git remote add origin. Okay. So into esizoyenza-ke ukuzama lo git remote add origin sibone ukuthi uzosebenza yini. Okay. Git command number one, it's bash. Git command already, I just want to check. Git bash one. It's git bash. Yeah, it's bash. I prefer. Right. So we will maximize that. Right. So ls-la, that's one which is a whooping, no more ls, no ls. So this, which is clear, and then we open the Zulu, so means ls. You won't come a folder la. So I want to come a folder. So send it to you. Control L, we are clear shadow into. Then cd desktop. I'm going to put desktop one has to be capitalized. Oh, there's small letter P. Yeah, that's fine. And then I say cd and a and let's go to try a good tab. The stretcher is side on side hang fast. So whether that's NLA, that's underscore tab. Then keep it to enter. Right. So then it's ls. Sengikuyo ama-folder ami la sengangisebenza ngawo, and uyabona la it's master. So iyasho ukuthi shuthi ibranch yami umaster. So mengithi git status, njengoba ngangishilo ukuthi wonke umuntu ngilindele ukuthi ugit izothi on branch master bani. So i-example esiyibonile la ungathi git branch -m main. So ungathi git branch -m manje ngithi main. Right, umulandela the instructions mase angithi yabo manje isithi main, should ibranch engiyona main. So mase ngithi mina git status yabo on branch main, it's up to date with origin master. Okay, so mengathi sengilandela ke le instruction yabo, ngithi mina git add remote add origins, copy lokho ngibuye la paste. Okay, enter. So remote origin already exists. I think oh yes, because bengipusha mina, niyakhumbula ukuthi vele lokhu ngangakwenza bengipusha mina kumsebenzi wami lo munye. So I think the example ebengiyenza for this section ye lesson was ls. I think it was example folder. I'm not sure. Example folder. Yes, so it's a must. So I guess senze ke nayo le command ebengirana ekuqaleni ngithi mhlambe git branch -m main. Nithi git status, sibone. Branch main working tree clean. So sengizothi-ke manje paste git remote add origin ngifake i-URL. Bese ngithi enter. Okay, so sengitshele ugit njengamanje. Ngithe mina git remote, so uremote usho into konje i-remote umuntu uzothi hayi i-remote yokucontrol i-TV. Into esuke i-remote into esuke ingekho la lesithi mengithi mina ngisebenzela ikhampani ese-Cape Town but remotely. So remote shooting ngikude nayo, right? So into esuke ingekho lapho khona. So i-computer somewhere kwi-internet is remote from i-computer engiyisebenzisa le enginidemoshela ngayo. So sengithi mina ngifuna ku-git, ngifuna uku-add-a into e-remote to origin. So origin shuthi from i-source ye-code yami. Ngifuna uku-add-a ku-origin, ngizothi ngifuna uku-add-a, ngifuna ukuzama ukuchaza lento ngesiZulu. So git wami ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi njengoba ngisebenza ngalo msebenzi local, ngikugcinile futhi kwenye indawo e-remote. I think that's the better explanation. Ikhona enye indawo engigcina kuyo noma engifuna ukugcina kuyo lo msebenzi e-remote, and then you give it a URL. Lo HTTPS safunda ngawo umele ini, usuke umele ubani u-hyper, bani transfer, bani protocol, u-hyper bani text transfer protocol. I-standard se-communication over the internet. So usesiyazi ukuthi lokhu kusho a-computer somewhere kwi-internet. It's just that-ke la banginike i-username yami is unique, so ngine-link e-unique, and then inangizane i-repository unique. So this could be any computer e-remote. Kungaba ngisho IP address, kungaba enye other company esetshenziswa GitHub. Wena ugit wakho local useyazi ukuthi ngoba kusetshenzela kulo msebenzi local, ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngibuye ngiwuphushe uyohlala kwenye indawo e-remote ukuze ungalahleki. Sesikwenzile-ke lokho, sibone ukuthi yini eshodayo. Sebethi-ke git add, git branch, bese ngikwenzile lokho. So mase ngithi git push origin main. So i-branch engifuna ukuyiphusha to origin source noma to i-remote source ibizwa ngo-origin, ngifuna ukuphusha u-main. This is what this line says. Line lo git push origin main, ngithi copy noma ngingayithayipha ngithi git push origin main, u-main being i-branch yami, yabo. So ngi-add le remote address against ingizothi i-variable noma igama to origin. So njengamanje ngithi mina cela uphushe ku-origin, uphushe i-branch yami u-main. So i-branch ngathi asizugxila kuyo kakhulu, but sisuke sikhuluma ngalento esuke igcine umsebenzi wakho i-version ethile, noma umsebenzi wakho isikhathi esiningi kuba ama-features noma kube i-bug. So uthi nayi i-code yami originally, but ngifuna ukuyishintsha njengamanje ngenze i-feature ngi-add umsebenzi omusha, kodwa angifuni ukumess up umsebenzi wami lo obu-right. So sazofunda kabanzi ngalokho in the future, kuba advanced classes. So sibone ukuthi kuzosebenza uma ngizama ukuphusha. Sibone ngishayile u-enter, ngilindile. Akwenzeki lutho, reload la sibone, angeke kwenzeki lutho. Okay, so njengoba bengilindelile, so njengamanje bathi remote invalid username or token. Password authentication is not supported for Git operations. So uku-authenticator usuke ufana nokulogga in, yabo, usuke uthi mina nguSibanibani ngicela ukungena. So bathi-ke njengamanje bazamile ukuxhumana nale, ngoba phela ngithi mina bazamile ukuxhumana nale address le URL. Authentication failed. So ithe icela ukungena, ikhompyutha yami iphusha umsebenzi, kwathiwa cha awukwazi ukungena because of what? A username or token invalid. So kumele ngizame indlela yokuthi eh eh ime ngiphusha kule repository yami ithi hhayi le computer ephusha la ivumelekile ukuphusha. Okay, so besithanda singakopisha lo simguglishe sibone ukuthi bathini. Bathini-ke is not supported. Git is attempting to authenticate using a method no longer supported by a remote repository based over HTTP or favor of secure methods. Shoot akukho secure. So I guess zame now HTTPS or SSH. So mengenza njalo ngithi it's a remote add. Okay. So ngishintshela from HTTPS ngenza SSH because it's more secure. SSH. So basho njalo bathi into yokuqala usuke uzama uconnect ngendlela engekho secure. So ngithi paste. So yabona manje la u-git remote add origin wami uma umbukisisa kahle usehlukile usethi git at github.com masuba ne-colon masuthi ufake nangani awusafani no-HTTPS. So i-SSH is more secure than HTTPS. So siyafunda ngakho lokho in future. But okwamanje ake sizame sibone remote origin already exists. So asimkhiphe. So sizothi git remove remote origin. Sibone. So git remote remove origin. Eqaleni besithe git remote add origin. So besithi-ke git remote remove origin. So siyamkhipha ngoba u-origin besimsavile before ngale yandlela ka-HTTPS. So sengifuna-ke sim-add-e kabusha sithi git remote add origin kube ilo or more secure. Okay, it's a text. So sesi-add-e a more secure way of connecting or communicating ne-computer yethu leya ka-GitHub because ekuqaleni bathena password authentication is not supported. So u-SSH doesn't authenticate over i-password. Ake siboneke manje mengithi mina git push origin main. Sibone kuzokwenzakalani. Ngizopressa u-Control L so that ngifuna leyo umsebenzi uvele phezulu. Okay, nakho-ke bathi-ke git push origin main repository not found, could not read from remote repository. So shuthi i-computer yami ayikho authorized ukuthi nga-communicate naleya repository. Angithi ngine-folder mina engine ko-GitHub, but mengizama uku-communicate nayo angikwazi ukuyi-access. Okay, make sure you have the correct access rights and the repository exists. Yabo. So it's either exist i-repository noma ama-rights anginawo okuyi-access. Okay, maybe I can Google it, but ngizobe ngimosha isikhathi. I know the solution. Into ekumele uyenze ukuza ku-Git kule folder yakho uyitshele ukuthi wena folder vumela i-computer thizeni ukuthi iphushe umsebenzi kuwe. Njengamanje ngikhandile wena folder but ublock anyone ukuthi azama ukuphusha umsebenzi kuwe. So azame indlela yokuthi uvumele noma uba. So check la security. Sibukela ku-setting. Sizoza ku security, sizothi advanced security. Atifila ku-general, so general template, issue, change repository, disable branch, transfer ownership, angifuni konke lokho. Ngifuna ukwenza njani na? Uma ngingaphosisi, this is more of a setting under mina la kwi-akhawunti yami. Sibone i-akhawunti yami, futhi iyona mengithi mengiya repository, la phela ngoba yes. So bengiza la, and sibone ukuthi le option ngizoyithola ayikho lapha. Ngizothi accessibility. Noma ngizo-off ku-setting, kufanele ngilinde kuma-setting. Ngifake kuma-setting. So la, kuma-settings under my profile. Okay. So kuma-settings ami, sibone. Khona lento engiyifunayo okuthiwa ama-SSH keys. SSH keys, nakho SSH and GPG keys. Ile nto engiyifunayo. So, i-SSH, angithi ugit wethu sithe nayi indawo engizostorisha khona ikhodi yami remotely. Ngikhuluma nekhompyutha yami la local. Ngithe mina git add i-storage esi-remote under i-name u-origin, ngase ngithi git add bani. Ngase ngithi indlela le ye-information usukwenza u-SSH instead of u-HTTPS. So singakubuka-ke lokho kabanzi in future. So into esengiyifuna-ke manje ama-keys aka-SSH azongivumela ukuthi ikhompyutha yami i-connect-e kwi-akhawunti yami le. So ake sibuke la, check our guide to connect. Okay. Generating, adding a new thing. Okay. Izothi-ke la, ngifuna la, right clicker, it open a new tab. Ngoba nina nizobe nenza generating new SSH keys, bayachaza-ke la, seniyoqhubeka nifunda. But bathe open git bash, paste the text below, replacing the email used in the example with your GitHub email address. So thatha le text le, replace le email. So ngizothatha le, ngibuye la ku-git, ngithi paste, ngibuye email yami-ke ngisayikhumbula mina, ithi Khumbuzo Martina dev @gmail.com. Ngi-double check-e, bathe i-email address ye-akhawunti yami. So i-akhawunti yami la, uma ngiyi-check-a ngithi control click, ngibuke la, here's my email. Mhlambe ngize la back, ngize ku-setting. Okay, one of my account. Where is my email? Oh, email. Nakho email. Right. So na i-email yami associated ne-account yami. Sikhumbuza martina@gmail.com. Wena uzokwenza nge-email yakho. right? Skhumbuzo@gmail.com. Enter. Okay. So SSH keygen dash T ED 25519-C kube lokho. Ngicela singakunaki, asilandele ama-instructions. Kodwa bathi-ke generating a public and a private ED 2519 key pair. Enter a file in which you save. So i-file izosave under users khumbuzo.ssh id 25 whatever. So mengithi enter, already exists, override, yes or no. Mina ngizothi no, but when izobe inga-exist. Mina ngithi no because angifuni uku-override ifile yami. Right? Senginayo-ke ifile. So undo this phone. So mengingathi mina ls ngithi /c, ngithi / ngithi users, ngithi / ngithi school, ngithi enter, ngibona onke ama-files akhona la nama-folder, but angiyiboni le ka.ssh because it's a hidden folder. So mengithi mina kodwa /-ssh.ssh ikhona ifolder, khona into engiyifunayo. So now it's id ed25519 id ed25519.pub. Okay. Sibuyele la ku-instruction yethu. So nkathi wenza lokhu wena uzogcine unale izothi it creates a SSH key using the provided email as bani izo-generator a public and private key. Enter a file ikubuze, yobathi buza, press enter. Enter a passphrase, so izokubuza i-password. You can put a password up to you, kodwa kwamele uyikhumbule leyo password. So, and then manje bathi add your SSH key to the SSH agent. So agent le i-software kwikhompyutha yakho eku-allow-isha ukuthi ucommunicate securely over u-SSH instead of u-HTTP. Yingakho ngithe u-SSH is more secure than u-HTTPS. So silandele futhi la start bani start copy lokhu control L, right click and paste, enter, get service not found. Okay, start service sibone ukuthi uzosebenza yini. Yes, it's not found. Okay, sibone ukuthi again. If before adding your new SSH to the SSH manage your keys, you should check existing keys, generate a new banban. If you have GitHub Desktop installed, you can use it to clone repository and not delete SSH keys. In a new admin elevated partial window, ensure SSH agent is running. You can use the auto loads with start manually. Okay, so I guess move again the agent left. Ukuthi sizoyi-generator kanjani. And Windows about passphrases, that's fine. Auto launching. Hey, sekuningi kakhulu lokho. I think it's going to be too much. It's going to be too much for me. Going to be too much. So enter new. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Simbukela. Okay. Add your private key if you create a SSH add. Bonuses or seven. Yeah. Okay. So it by default. Okay. So I think when I was skip a local go start service, we come to the SSH add. I think it goes of seven zomanga process. But you have to be specific. So when it's SSH add from copy. Oh, things again. paste SSH kahle kahle ngizothi add mase ngithi /c ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi i-generate kuphi inangizane i-SSH i-key pair yami. So ngizothi C ngithi users /school /dash SSH / mase ngithi ID underscore RSA. Right? Yes. So siyaveza ukuthi added. So now uzosho kuwena users banizandile give to banibani.ssh ID RSA. Okay. So that's done. For hardware security key, skip local. Adding. So create SSH SSH keys. Ngoba sifuna communicate over SSH. SSH kancane athi ngithi kancane ubone ukuthi uyini. Mengithi what is SSH? Secure shell. So a network protocol that allows for a secure encrypted connection between two computers, most often to access a remote server. So indlela safe you communicate between i-computer leyo sukunayo ne-computer remote. So i-client la okuyimi ngizothi information engifuna ukuyi-transfera hello ngi-encrypte iphenduke ibe ngenye into. Uma ifika ngala kwi-server ibe decrypted mase server ithi hello. Excuse me. Kwenzakalani-ke? Lo ukuze ukwazi uku-decrypta information engithumelelile udinga i-public key. So information ngiyayithatha ngi-encrypte with my private key. Mase ngiyayithumelela kwenye i-computer. Leyo computer kumele ibe ne-public key ukuze ikwazi uku-decrypta information. Yini uku-encrypta? Yini uku-decrypta? Uku-encrypta ukuthatha i-information esuke i-readable by mina nawe, esuke i-readable by omunye umuntu, esuke i-readable by isigebengu. Ngifuna leyo information ukuyiguqula ukuthi isigebengu noma ubani ezama ukuyifunda ingayenzi sense kuye ibe i-garbage. So ngizo-encrypta ngiyiguqule. Ukuyi-decrypta yini? Ukuyi-reversa ngibuyele emuva ngithole information njengoba ibinjalo original. So njengoba la benza example bethi kunegama elithi hello, uzol-encrypta libe u-Y6 UW bani I. Mase lo onokey ayi-decrypte athole hello. Uma u-encrypte lo hello ngokhiye wakho angeke le message ibukeke ngokufana njengeyami. Mina mengi-encrypta hello kuzoba enye into la. UZandile me-encrypta hello kuzoba enye into. So u-SSH makes sure ukuthi i-information siyi-transmita securely between i-computer le ngikuyona nama-computers akwa-GitHub. So I think maybe bekumele ngiqale lapho ukuze ubone ukuthi why senza lento esiyenzayo. So to do that, kumele vele uqale ugenerate ama-keys, public and private, and then mase sithatha our public key siyinike u-GitHub ukuthi GitHub uma sikuthumelela i-code yethu ukwazi phela ukuyi-decrypta uyibuke ukuthi bekuyiphi information besikuthumelela yona so that we can be safe over internet. The internet is not safe. This is a more advanced topic, but angifuni ukugxila kuyo. Ngifuna ukugxila ekuthenini umsebenzi wethu esinawo kwikhompyutha yethu siwuhambisa kanjani uthi ku-GitHub njengoba benisuke nibona nginisherishela umsebenzi ku-GitHub. Alright, so siqale sa-generate ama-keys. Sesiwa-generate-ile, into esekumele esiyenzile was to add. Uthe SSH add. So SSH wakho wekhompyutha yakho usu-adda le key le ukuthi ekwazi ukuthi methumele information akwazi uku-encrypta i-information ngalokhiye. Right, okay. So sikwenzile lokho. So njengamanje add the SSH public key to your GitHub, to your account on GitHub. For more information, see adding a new SSH key. So ngiyaklikha la. Siyikhandile i-SSH key pair u-private no-public. Sa-add u-private ku-SSH agent. iya kwikhompyutha yakho, izinto ezothi uyosebenzile. So njengamanje sekumele sithathe u-public key siyonika u-GitHub. Sithi sizokuthumelela information encrypted, ngisicela ukwazi ukuthi uyi-decrypt-e nganawo key. Okay, Windows, adding bani, prerequisite, check for existing keys, ungafollowisha or generate new keys sikwenzile. Adding new SSH keys to your account. You can add an SSH key and use it for authentication. Look at the school shop. Ukuthi kumele authenticate over SSH or commit signing or both. If you want to use the same SSH key for both authentication and signing, you need to upload it twice. After adding a new SSH authentication key to your account on GitHub.com, you can reconfigure your local repositories to use SSH. Angigqilile-ke lapho. So bathi copy SSH public key to your clipboard. If your SSH public key has a different name than the example code, modify the file name to match your current setup. So clip a command. So ufuna ukukopisha into ku-clip yakho. So for example, mengithi mina la clip ngithi arrow, mase ngithi hi, enter. Unokuthini la, ngithi la, akusebenzi kanje, shuthi kuba i-file. It's only file okwazi uyikopisha ku-clip, but you copy the file le public. So sengizokwenza-ke lokho, ifile yami neyakho izoba kuphi, sizothi clip, sithi arrow la, sithi / sithi c / sithi users, / school, / .ssh, / id underscore RSA, okay, most likely dot pub, public key esifunayo, sithi dot pub. Ngingakakwenzi lokho, ngizokukhansela lento engiyithayiphile, ngithi ls, ngithi / c / users, / skum, ngithi .ssh. Okay, ls list for me. So ngiyabona la amafile enginawo, ID ed25519, ID underscore RSA. Both of them banama-public versions. Omunye ukhiye lo, this is a key pair, private key, public key, private key, public key. So ngingasebenzisa noma yiphi kulawo two engithandayo. Uma ngi-add la, ngithi mina copy this to my clipboard. So ngizothi clip, ngithi copy, ngithi / la, / c / users, / ngithi school, /.ssh, / ngingakhetha noma yiphi. Wena yakho mhlawumbe ungathi ID uthi underscore ed 25519 dot pub, kumele upublic, ngithi enter. So ngikopishe kwi-clipboard yami. So mengithi paste, kuzopasteka i-content yaleya file. To confirm that, ngingathi cat, ukhethe usukuthi display into esuke kwifile thizeni, ngithi /c / users, ngithi scum, ngithi .ssh, ngithi ID underscore ed 2, ngithi tab, ngithi .pub. Bengithi enter, nansi information ekule file le, nansi. So iyasho ukuthi key yami o-generated by that. So sengiza la, ngoba sengiyikopishile, but upper right hand corner of any GitHub page, click profile picture, click settings, access section, click SSH GPP keys, click new or add, title, file description, paste your public key, click add, access account GitHub, whatever. So sengiza la, leli page ebengikulona, ngiye la phezulu, ngathi settings, mengibuya settings, ngase ngiza la under access njengoba besho, ngize la ku SSH keys. Sengiza la ngithi new SSH key. So sengizothi-ke my Windows SSH key. Manje example baze bayenze example la bathi it begins with SSH RSA noma ECD banibani noma banibani. Check la sibuke yethu it begins with SSH ED25 banibani. So example yethu nayi example efola under i-key yethu. So sengizothi-ke paste. Sengithi add SSH key. Right? Key is already in use by bani. Buke la add SSH key. Signing key, paste, kumbuzomartin@gmail.com. That's because ngake ngayi-generator before. So ingakho kumele ithi key already in use. So I think generate enye mina la from my history. Sithi la SSH key gen. Ngizothi la i-key wami ngizo-rename ngithi _2. So wesibili, sorry, sorry, i-type le -t -c. So ngifuna ukugenerate a new which one? Enter a file in which you save ilokhunju. So ngizothi la copy lokhu, copy. Eish. Okay, ngifuna ukugenerate i-key for this email address. So ifile yami ngizothi la / ngithi C. Wena sengithi ngizothi wenze lokhu inkinga mina nginama-multiple keys. Users / Skhumbuzo /.ssh /ID ngithi ED 25519 ngithi _2. So ifile name yami le, enter passphrase, no empty for no pass, ngishawu enter for no passphrase, enter same passphrase again, ngishawu enter. So wena ibizokubuza lezi zinto. So sigenerate-ile-ke a new one. So next thing I need to do is to add it to i-agent yami ku-SSH. So ngizothi ID, ngithi ed, ngithi _255_2. So ngi-enter i-private key yami le entsha. So isi-ediwe, it's fine. And then sekumele ngiyikopishe i-public key so that ngizoyisa kwa-GitHub. So clip, so ngithi la ed, ngithi _2 bani bani bani, enter, ngithi .pub, public, enter. Sengiyikopishile. So sengiza la, paste, ihlukile-ke. So mengithi add ngizothi my Windows public or my Windows SSH key. Okay, add SSH key. Right. So isi-edekile. Okay. Kesiboneke la. Uma sengithi manje git push remote origin. Sibone ukuthi qale nibeke ubani konje i-command yethu git push arrow up lo ngimpressayo ukubona ama-commands engike ngawarana before. Git push origin main. Sorry. Git push origin main. Sibone kuzosebenza yini. Okay. Could not read from origin. Make sure you have the correct access right. Ake sibukeni sibone ukuthi khona yini okushoda kumele sikwenze. So never used read write. So let me reload. Added there ngalolu suku my Windows SSH key. Edit to account. So si-edile So I think into ebalulekile kwi-eda kwilokhunja sibone copy lokhu ngiyakubona. Accounting ngisebenzisile, working with SSH, comment, basho njalo. So, enter passphrase, siboneni esishiyayo. You need to tell, that's fine. Okay. Through the process. Let's go to SSH-agent. Sibone agent. Really. Oh. Okay, just to confirm, repository here to la. Let's just confirm la. Get remote add origin tutorials. Get la. Internet devs. And okay. Sibone khona noma isitephu engisishiyayo. Really SSH add unstate dev echo agent start. This is a agent. Yona ndlela yokuqala vele. One agent is it running? Yeah, agent is running. Make sure you have the correct access right. Okay. Okay, one man will continue to run until you log out. Okay, so I need to troubleshoot here. Ukuthi why ingafuni upusha to SSH. Okay, la. Connecting common SSH problems. Ngisiboneni ukuthi what problem? A problem esibona singayisolve yini. Okay. Permission denied, key permission report denied. Okay, admin key type. Okay, asiyigugulisha. Siyigugulisha le problem yethu. So help us quickly troubleshoot. Valela. Okay. Verify the remotes. Okay, get the remote dash V. Okay, sibona ukuthi i-correct yini, control L. So space the la to verify. Okay. Okay. And of which I think this is correct. Mangibuka. You can update. So I think Tina is correct. Is this? Sorry, confirm that they're okay. MC or remote and then link your repository, your local repository. Pushing to if you're pushing a new local repository, you must first create an empty repository on the remote platform and then link your local repository to it. Square the local on the host platform. Confirm access as right permissions to the repository. Ensure your user account on the SSH has the right permissions. Okay. So njengoba ngisho kunama-security amaningi kulezi zinto. So ake siyobuka-ke ukuthi kwi-repository yethu which access has it been given? Which access does it have kuma settings? Um, okay, pull request. Okay, right. Oh, NACO access. Okay, access is only collaborators who manage visibility. Zifunda. But kumele ngabe inayo access because the account yami le. So I just need to troubleshoot and find ukuthi confirm access, rename, and then moving. I angifundile. So git status sibone or noma ngithi log git origin GitHub Martin on ukuthi this is correct from GitHub. Okay, forward slash on GitHub forward slash sibone enter. Okay, so inangana is correct. 18 why enqaba la git git push origin main could not read access right git push. There is no upstream set the remote as upstream. Okay. So zame local copy. Okay. And repository not found again to Sagalongoba. See a dealer, it exists at Git at GitHub, Skumuza Martina tells one ban, see right la origin, get the remote. Okay. Um, and the repository exists. So sit here, GitHub, Git push not working for new Git repository. Mhlawumbe khona okusha abazositshela khona. It's urge. Yonke lento ebesiyenza kusayi-o permission. We get check repository searching for your user's permission. After days, you might need to update. Konke lokhu sikwenzela ngazi ukuthi kushoda if you have access right. Check repository settings for user permissions, authentication, ensure Git credentials, password SSH. Yeah, maybe as check SSH way to maybe akenzekanga kahle. Settings. SSH. Ngoba njengamanje ethi never used. Okusho ukuthi akaka pick up ukuthi ngizama ukukhonektha la. So ake sibuke la nama instructions zabo. Sizovala maduzane nje managing checking for this thing. adding to your GitHub account, testing your SSH connection. Ilokhu sikufunayo. Yes. Okay. Test. Sibone ukuthi i-connect leyo kade sikwenza kwa-SSH ku-right yini. SSH. Okay. High school marketing if particular does not provide shell access. So inkinga yami okay, le nkinga uzoba nayo ngoba mina nginama-account awu-2 njengamanje. So ingakho ingayitholi leya repository because ngizama ukuphusha nge-account yami le enye ewuSikhumatine, hhayi le ewuSikhumbuzo Martine Devs. So inkinga le specific to mina ngingasolva kanjani la nginga-invite i-collaborator nginga-add la i-collaborator, for example ngithi Sikhumatine lo invite collaborator ngim-add so kumele ngi-accept i-invite, but I don't prefer GitHub. Ngithi-ke mengithi GitHub change logged in user excuse me on git bash. Kodwa-ke lokho ngizobuye shuthi ngizokwenza for now ngizo-accepta i-invite and then lokho ukuthi ngikhiphe le user yami ngisebenzise le kaSikhumbuzo Martine Devs ngizokwenza kwenye lesson because okwamanje ngisafuna ukukhombisa ukuthi siyiphusha kanjani umsebenzi. So ngiloga in manje as le enye account yami so ngizothi some security there so that once ngiloge in ngi-accept invite and then ngizokwazi ukuphusha umsebenzi. But i-problem le specific to mina wena ngeke ube nayo GitHub Sikhumbula Martine 407389 verified. So ngifuna ukukhombisa la. So I'm logged in nge-account yami le. I've received an invite. Noma shuthi iqhamuke via email, Gmail. Ngikhombisa kancane ukuthi iqhamuka kanjani, but i-focus yami is not there. Nah, Sikhumbula Martine Devs, yes. So nansi le email. Nansi le email has invited you to this. So view invitation. And then accept invitation. Okay, that's fine. So now I have access to the repository because the account yami logged in, la njoba tester, the account yami logged in, ile Sikhumatine, which is lenye account yami niyijwayele. Sengi-invite Sikhumatine une access la. So ake siboneni ke ukuthi uzokwazi yini ukuphusha. Yes, so okay, sepushile. So wena uzobona lokho. So enumerating objects uyabala ukuthi mangaka ama-file, counting objects 6 out of 6, data compression ya compressor ama-objects 3 out of 3. Ya right, asinendaba nakho konke lokhu sifuna ukubona ukuthi iphushile yini. Branch main setup to track sibanibani. So asinendaba nokuningi nalokho ngifuna ukuzobuka la mina. Mengibuya la ku-code ku-NLA tutorials. Right. So sekunama-files akusenawo ama-instructions like before. So now ifile yami le-index file esasiyikhande iziya-tracker-ke i-commit yokuthi it's from last month ifile yami. Last month i-readme yangaka-80. If ucheck-a lama-commits ami, if ngi-check ama-commits, ngiyakwazi ukubona ukuthi ngiyakhumbula ngathi ngenza iklasi ngomhla ka-22 ngithi mina sikhumbuzo first git commit new content for my file. If ngiklikha kwi-commit noma kwi-commit hash, if ngiklikha ngiyakwazi ukubona ukuthi ngenzeni, ngicreate i-file entsha. Na i-file i-green, there is 0 new lines, there's 0 lines engiwa-removile, okay? Ngithi back. So new content for my file. So ngiyakwazi ukuyobona ngathi ngishintsha, ngifake i-content, ngase ngiyacommit, sengiyaklikha ngifuna ukubona ukuthi iliphi ushintsho engilenzile. So nga-edda information entsha la. Right, okay. So na i-file yami eyodwa. So ke i-example engizoyenza before nginikhulule sengizoyivula le folder le ye-example. Ngizoyivula le folder ye-example desktop, ngithi example folder, ngithi select folder, sengiyivulile. Now index wami uyakhumbula unale information. Sengizothi mina p tag, ngenza i-p tag, ngivale la. Sengithi ngifaka i-p tag yokuqala, right? Mase ngithi control save. Ngibuye ku-git, ngithi git add, ngithi dot, sengi-edda yonke into. Ngithi git commit M dash M, ngifaka i-message ngithi umsebenzi ngizothi wantambama, right? Okay, ngithi end. Ngenza i-commit message, ngiyacommit umsebenzi wami ngiwenzile, ngiyawucommita ngifuna ukuhamba ngiyophuza itiye. So it's a checkpoint ukuthi sengiwenzile umsebenzi, it's a checkpoint. Sengithi njengamanje ngiwusave locally kwikhompyutha yami. Ngifuna manje ukuwuphusha uyosaveka remote kule repository yami. So sengizothi git push, right? Silinde-ke iyasho-ke okay iyenza isiphushile, right? Mengibuya la ku-GitHub, angisakhumbula u-GitHub wami ugcine nginama-commits ayi-2, ngigcine last month ukucommit. Mengirefresha usuthi nginama-commit awu-3, ngigcine manje ukucommit. I-commit yami yokugcina bengithe umsebenzi wantambama. So ifayili yami uma ngiyibuka iyafana ifayili le nale, iyafana, but umsebenzi basithi ipower yokuthi ngiyakwazi ukubuka the previous versions of ifayili yami ngokuya la kuma-commits ami adlule. So sengiklikha la kuma-commits ami, sengiyakwazi ukuklikha la ngibuka ukuthi iluphi ushintsho bengilenza. So ngizothi dismiss, la ngi-ede ulayini omusha. Ngiyakwazi ukuzothi mina browse files, browse the repository at this point in the history. Anganoma understand that how powerful this is. So ngithi browse files, ngiklikha. So ngiyakwazi ukungena ku-index wami from this point in the history, ngimbone ukuthi ukanjani. Okay, it's fine. Sengibuye la ngikhombiseke another power. So njengamanje my latest file iyilento. My latest file iyilento. But ngiyakwazi ukubuya la kwi-commit. Or mengithi ilento, I mean inalo line lo, ngifaka i-p tag yokuqala. This is my latest file. Kodwa ngiyakwazi ukubuyela emuva ngize kule comment le ngithi browse repository at this point, noma ngiklikhe ngizothi browse files, but I think ngithi browse repository at this point. Futhi ngiyakwazi ukubuyela at any point in time ngiyothi ayenjani ama-files ami, umsebenzi wami wawunjani. Sengiyangena-ke la iyasho ukuthi last month, So i-version yefayile yami engiyibukayo from last month, mengiyivula file yami inje, ayinawo lo line omusha ethi P-Tech yami yokuqala. So that's the power yokusebenzisa uGit, and nokustorisha-ke remotely ngo-GitHub. Sengiyakwazi ukuthi ngiwubone umsebenzi ukuthi oh, i-version endala yale file bekanje, sesila manje sishintshe u-1, 2, 3. Ngizoma la qeda ngi-upload ividiyo, nizoyibuka nizama ukufollowisha, nizama ukwenza. The important thing la, angeke u-understande ngokungilalela, you will only understand ngokuthi wenze. Once athi ngivalela nangizama stop presenting, can just stop presenting. The important thing, njengoba ngisho, the important thing it is to go and practice. Ngifuna uku-emphasize lokho. Stop sharing. Yes, that's what I want to do. The most important thing njengamanje, it is to go and practice. Okuncane lokho ku-understanda usitake lapho sitaka khona. Maybe on Friday sizobe sizama ukwenza ama-corrections, but once sayimasterisha lesi skill, kuzoba lula mesiqhubeka mesikhoda in future, ukuthi ingabe senzeka lento ukuthi umsebenzi ubunawo usebenza, uthi uma usuzama ukwenza enye into usuyawuphazamisa lo msebenzi obusebenza. Mengubuza ngithi mina ushintsheni, ungakwazi ukubona ukuthi ushintsheni, uzobe usukwazi ukubona oh, from this point ngishintsha ukuthi, from this point ngishintsha ukuthi. But okay, enye yama-uses kaGit no-GitHub leyo, the main reason saqala ukwenza lento was so that i-repository yakho uzokwazi ukuthi upresente umsebenzi wakho live, ube ne-URL kubo www. Bani umuntu angene abone iwebsite yakho. So sizoqhubeka senze lokho, and then lamanye ama-advanced techniques asezosisiza as siqhubeka sifunda. I hope yonke into i-clear. Ngizocela ukunikhulula, siqale effectively around 7:30, manje 8:30. Nami sengikhathele, sekubuhlungu umphimbo. Ikhona imibuzo? Nisasekhona kodwa?
Sibonge Minere, sizobonana Friday sir.
Asibonane Friday, usikhona into oyenzile Nkosi yami.
Yebo Minere.
Nawe Zandile, please, ngoba seninawo uGitHub, sizamana ukwenza le nto le ka-Git add remote, wenze sure ukuthi u-adda i-URL ewu-SSH, mase uya kwikhompyutha yakho ugenerate public and private key. Ungafunda kabazi nge-encryption ne-decryption. I'm sure lamagama niyawazi before, but senine-understanding njengamanje yawo. Once wenze lokho, uphushe to uGitHub wakho. Once uphushile wabona icode yakho khona, uzobe ku-100%.
100, yebo sir. Siyabonga.
Yeah, Baba Nomandla usithola izinto esesiyidiscussa sezinzima kakhulu.
Hayi, ngizolandela uyazi lo esisebenza naye manje ngisale emuva.
Hayi, ayikho inkinga.
Uyazi uGit.
Ngizocathulisana Sethembe naye kumsiza mekusiza, ngiyacabanga. Yes, hayi. Asibonge-ke, asibonane Friday, please.
Okay, siyabonga.
Siyabonga.